here's the different argument pa ki physicalist pa kin ong kom ne ki physicalist pa kin ong kom ne ba because a person is exposed to nudity, there is a brain behavior that take place. Karon kani ka biochemical release jong dopamine, testosterone. So we need to name these experience. Now, an exposure to nudity produce dopamine or testosterone, and now I need to label this. I need to label this experience. So let me label this experience as lust or sexual attraction. So now what happened? Kalong ba? Because the interpretation happens in the physical world, so physically kalong ba? Morality is just an invention. Morality is just something that happens within the subjective world. Morality, in fact, is subjective, and morality is a social construct. Now, here's the problem.